Hello, today we will guide you through how to find deleted or modified entries in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll use the audit log to track down entries that were deleted, voided, or changed. This is especially helpful when something no longer appears in your registers, totals look off after an edit, or you need a clear history for month-end reviews and audits. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the correct company. Once your dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm you're in the right file and that your date and time settings look correct, since the audit log records activity by date and user. Look toward the top right of the screen for the settings gear icon. It's the small gear near your profile and the help menu. On smaller screens, it can be easy to miss, so hover near the top right corner if you don't immediately see it. Select the settings gear to open the menu, then choose Audit Log. The audit log is your system's timeline. It captures who did what and when, showing events like sign-ins, list changes, transaction edits, and removals. This is the authoritative place to verify activity across your books. Once the audit log opens, focus on the events filter at the top of the page. Open the drop-down to see the categories you can review. Choose Deleted, Voided Transactions to narrow the list to entries that were removed or voided. Even when a transaction is no longer visible in your registers, QuickBooks records the event here, so you can still see the trail and understand what happened. After the filter applies, review the results table. You'll see the date and time of the action, the user who performed it, the type of event, and which record was affected. If you're researching a specific period, you'll notice options to adjust the date range so you can focus on a time frame. Sorting by date can help you quickly move from the most recent changes to older ones as you investigate. Although this view highlights deletions and voids, keep in mind that the audit log also captures modifications. When you need to analyze edits, look to the same events filter to tailor what appears so you can isolate the types of changes most relevant to your review. This makes it easier to reconcile differences you notice in reports or bank reconciliations. If you don't see the audit log option, it usually means your user role doesn't have access. In that case, reach out to your account admin to adjust permissions. As you work, keep notes on what you find, including dates and users, so you can follow up or tighten processes where needed. That's it. With the audit log and the events filter set to deleted, voided transactions, you can confidently track removed entries and verify modifications in QuickBooks Online.